Why, hello there. It's very dark in here, new friend. Do you see any lights? Hello? Are you there, new friend? Wait, what is going on? Where am I? What is this place? I remember. The last thing I saw before I passed out was the others looking down on me, an arrow in my eye. I could barely stand. I was falling into unconsciousness. I could barely see who was there, but I knew her voice. It was her. She was behind us. The final word she spoke to me before I passed out was,
I am going to enjoy watching you break.
I can't move. I feel blades in my skin. I need to wake up. Please make it stop. 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 Make it stop.
I am going to enjoy watching you break.